Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is cloning. As our previous session, I have told you about the transgenic animals, and this is also part of the cloning. And now today I will told you about the cloning. Genetic engineering may be described as the introduction of manipulating genetic material into the cell is such as a way as to replicate and passed on to the progeny cell. On this diagram here is showing genetic engineering technique which is involving in cloning cytokines producing cells, and bacterium, and strands of DNA from the cytokines producing cells, and plasmid ring of bacterium DNA from the bacteria. So we have cut down the plasmid and open it, and cytokines gene is cut out of the DNA. So then we have ligate the cytokines and our plasmid DNA. Then hybrid plasmid is put back into the bacterium, and bacteria make the human cytokines, make it their different kinds of copies. So this is the genetic engineering techniques to make the clones of different types of bacteria. Genetic manipulation, gene manipulation is the defined as the formation of new combination, as the formation of new combination heritable material by the insertion of nucleic acids, molecules like DNA into the bacterial plasmid or any different kinds of bacter allow to the incorporation into the host organism. They can be make it capable of different kinds of propagation. This is the microinjection method. We have to take needle and insert it into the particular cells, our desired DNA or our genetic material into the particular cells. Gene cloning, the insertion of a fragments of DNA carrying a gene into a cloning vector and subsequent propagation of recombinant DNA molecules into many copies is known as a gene cloning. This is called gene cloning. Gene cloning techniques are we have to take bacterium and bacterium chromosome and plasmid. First, we have to gene inserted into the plasmid. Then, cell containing genes of interest and gene of the interest we have to take and plasmid put into the bacterium cells. We have to make recombinant bacterium, and we have seen the particular bacteria into the plasmid, and we have to make clones of particular bacteria. Basic steps of gene cloning are construction of recombinant DNA molecules, transport of recombinant DNA to the host cells, multiplication of recombinant DNA molecules and division of the host cells, and numerous cells division resulting into the clone. Gene cloning requires specialized tools and techniques which are vehicles, like the central components of the gene cloning experiment is the vehicle which transport the gene into the host cells, and it is responsible for its replication. To act as a cloning vehicle, and DNA molecules must be capable of entering a host cells, and once inside replicate to the produce multiple copies of itself. So this is kind of a vehicle which are using in a gene cloning. And the vectors are, as our previous session we are told you about the retrovirus vector, adenovirus vector, adeno associated vector which are using in a gene clone. Characterize of the vector, it may be able to replicate. There must be some way of introduce vector DNA into the cell. There must be some means of detecting it present or preferable by the planting test in the petri dishes. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.